Good morning, ma'am. So in the previous class, what we learned, exercise 2.1, 1, 2, 3, 4 Romans completed. Fifth Roman, true or false only, you can write homework. Sixth Roman also, give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. That means you have to write one monomial and one trinomial. Monomial means what, ma'am? Only one term. Trinomial means three terms. Okay? Of degree 10. You have to write degree 10. Okay? That is the homework. Next, zeros of a polynomial. So, zeros of a polynomial means what now? Next topic is zeros of a polynomial. So, suppose x square plus x plus 1 is there. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. It has only one variable and degree is 2. So, it is a polynomial. Okay. Then how can you indicate this one? Can you write like this? P of x, yesterday I told no? You can write P of x or Q of x or F of x as you wish. Okay. So, P of x is this one. Okay. So, what is 0 of a polynomial? P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0 is called as 0 of a polynomial. Did you understand that? So, P of x is equal to 0 is called as 0 of a polynomial. That means x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Like that you can do. That is called 0 of a polynomial. We are doing examples, some examples, and you got it. See here, do this problem. Find the value of each of the following polynomials for the indicated value of variables. So first question, what is given? P of x. P of x equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1. That means what you have to do? In the place of x, you have to replace with 1. Okay. Substitute 1 in the place of x. So, P of x plus you have to write 1. P of 1 equal to 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. So, 4 into 1 square means 1 only. Minus 3 into 1 plus 7. 4 ones 4 minus 3 plus 7. How much 4 plus 7? 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 how much children? 8. So, what is the answer? P of x is equal to 8. At x is equal to 1, what is the answer? 8. Okay. Like that you can do remaining sums. Do this sums homework. Page number 33, do these sums. Okay. Someone write. Just you have to substitute the value of x in the polynomial. Now see the example 1 children. What is given example 1? P of x is equal to x plus 2. Find P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 1 and P of minus 2. What are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2? So here P of x is equal to x plus 2 is given. So what is given? Given P of x is equal to x plus 2. Now you have to find the values of P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 1, P of minus 2 and what are the zeros of the polynomial x plus 2 you have to find it. Okay. So first one is P of 1. Let x is equal to 1, then P of 1 is equal to, you have to substitute one value in x. Okay. So 1 plus 2, how much? 3. Next, what is given? Let x equal to 2. So P of 2 equal to 2 plus 2, 4. Next, let x is equal to minus 1. So P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 2. 1. Let x equal to minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 equal to how much? 0. So which one is the 0 of the polynomial now, children? Where we get 0? P of minus 2. Okay. So at x is equal to minus 2 we will get 0. So that is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore minus 2, P of minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. Okay. So which will get 0 here at minus 2. So P of minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. Come on, right. Next, the second example, see children, find a 0 of the polynomial P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So you have to find the 0 of the polynomial. Example 2. So what is given? Given P of x equal to 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Now you have to find the 0 of the polynomial, not given any x value. So you have to find the 0 of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial P of x equal to 0. Okay, that is the 0 of the polynomial. P of x equal to 0. So P of x is equal to 0 means what is the P of x value? 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So 3x is equal to, here plus 1 is there. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Minus 1. Okay. So x is equal to minus 1, here 3 is multiplied. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, ma'am? Right. Minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. Next example 3, same as is like this only. Find a 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 1. So here also you have to find a 0 of the polynomial. What is given? Given P of x is equal to 2x minus 1 given. So what is the 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial P of x is equal to 0. So what is P of x? 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to, here minus 1 is there, transpose to right hand side, what will become? Plus 1. X is equal to, here 2 is multiplied, if you transpose to right hand side, what will become? By 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 1. Now here what do you observe? 2x minus 1 is a which polynomial? By degree. According to degree, which polynomial it is? It is a linear polynomial. What is the degree here? 1. It is a linear polynomial. So linear polynomial has at least 1 0. Linear polynomial has at least 1 0. Like that, quadratic polynomial means at least 2 zeros. Cubic polynomial at least 3 zeros will get. Okay, ma? Right. Next, to do this, see children, fill in the blanks. Linear polynomials. These are all linear polynomials. Linear polynomials, the degree has only 1. That is called linear polynomial. And 0 of the polynomial. X plus a. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Minus a. X minus a. What is the 0 of the polynomial? A. So x minus a equal to 0. Transpose to minus a to right hand side. What will become? X is equal to a. So what is the blank? There, a, right. Next, ax plus b. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Ax plus b equal to 0. Ax is equal to plus b transpose to right hand side. What will become? Minus b. So x is equal to minus b. Here a is multiplied. If you transpose to right hand side, what will become? Divide. X is equal to minus b by a. Okay, ma'am. Ax minus b is equal to plus b by a. Already they are given. Next on the page, example 4c. Verify whether 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial. So let p of x is equal to what is given polynomial? X square minus 3x plus 2 given. So you have to verify 2 and 1 are the zeros of this polynomial or not. Okay. First, you can take 2. Okay. Take x equal to 2. Then p of 2 equal to, you can substitute x value 2. Okay. So x square means 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. How much 2 square means? 4 minus 3 to 6 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6, how much? 0. Next, take x is equal to 1, then p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square means 1, 3 1 3 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 3, how much? 0. So we will get zeros or not? So here which polynomial it is? Here the highest degree is 2. So which type of polynomial this one? Quadratic polynomial. Which type of polynomial this one? Quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial has degree 2, no. That's why we are getting 2 zeros. For linear polynomial only 1 0. Quadratic polynomial we are getting 2 zeros. Okay. So therefore, hence both 2 and 1 are zeros of the polynomial x squared minus 3x plus 2. In the which they are asking for linear polynomial how many zeros? Only 1 0. Quadratic polynomial how many zeros? 2 zeros. Cubic polynomial how many zeros? 3 zeros. Like that you have to say now. Okay. Next, say example 5. If 3 is the zero of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus a, you have to find the value of a. Example 5. So what is given? Let p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus a given. So you have to find the value of a. And next, what is given? If 3 is the 0 of the polynomial, as the 0 of this polynomial, as the 0 of this polynomial is 3, then P of 3 is equal to what we get? 0. P of 3 is equal to 0. So you have to substitute here. 3 square plus 2 into 3 minus a equal to 0. What is P of 3 value? This one. Okay. So 3 square means how much? 9 plus 2, 3, 6 minus a equal to 0. 9 plus 6 how much you get? 15 minus a equal to 0. Okay. 15 equal to here minus a is the transpose to right hand side. What will become? Plus a. So what is the value of a? 15. Therefore, a is equal to 15. Okay, children, like that you have to find it. So today, what is the homework is exercise 2.2, first Roman. See, find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, x is equal to 1 by 2. That means you have to substitute in this polynomial x is equal to 0 first. Next minus 1, next 2, next 1 by 2. Like that you can do. Okay. And second Roman, see, find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. So here given P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. So P of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. You have to substitute 0 for the first polynomial. After that you have to substitute 1 in the x plus and also substitute 2 in the place of x. Like that you have to sums. Okay, ma'am. Next, third Roman, see. Verify whether the values of x given in each case are the zeros of the polynomial or not. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Is it 0 of the polynomial or not? You have to check it. How to check? You have to substitute x plus minus 1 by 2. Whether it will come 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. Whether it is not come 0, it is not 0 of the polynomial. Like that you have to do, ma'am. Next, fourth Roman, find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. F of x is equal to x plus 2. So you have to find the 0 of the polynomial. That means what you have to do? F of x is equal to 0. That means x plus 2 equal to 0. So then x is equal to what will become? Minus 2. Like that you can do. And fifth one, see, if 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, P of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Find the value of a. Same as it is like this example 5. Okay, can you do, children? Next, sixth one. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. So here 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial. That means you have to substitute 0 in the place of x. And also you have to substitute 1 in the place of 1. Then you have to find the values of a and b. You can do today homework exercise 2.2. If you have any doubts, I will clarify tomorrow. Okay, children? You can do all the sums in homework exercise 2.2.